Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantal. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we're gonna be just doing a classic Valentine's Day look. It would not be Valentine's Day without a red lip. So yeah, if you guys want to see me create this look, keep on watching. Ready and go. Hi, hello. We're back with another Valentine's Day look. It cannot be Valentine's without a red lip, so I'm gonna do a red lip today. I'm gonna keep it very basic. I already kind of like prepped my skin and stuff a little bit, so I did my brows and I just kind of like put some concealer on to hide my acne scars. So now I'm gonna go in with foundation, and guess what foundation I'm gonna use today? You guessed right, the Too Faced Born This Way. Let me see if there's another one that I want to use. Is there another one? Not really. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just do this one because yeah. And I'm using this Real Techniques 013 brush to blend that out. So now I'm gonna go and contour, and I feel like I want my contour to be a little bit natural today, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna use the Perfecting Stick by MAC. Who am I kidding? I don't want my contour to be crazy. What? What? Take that back.
I'm not pulling my hair out.
It's OVA the creator.
Okay, I am gonna go in with a little bit of NW50, and I'm using my very crusty palette. Which palette is this again? Every time, this is the Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium Deep by MAC. I'm just going over to deepen up that contour a little bit.
It's OVA the creator.
Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna highlight under my eyes, and I'll go in with my very light and bright Cover FX.
It's OVA the creator.
So I'm gonna blend the center of my face, of course.
It's OVA the creator.
So now to set. I'm first gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown pressed powder.
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
Okay, and now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier. Get real bright. Real bright.
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
Okay, so now I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. What do I want to use to bronze today? I think I'll just use the Iconic London because I have it sitting right in front of me. Yeah, so I'm using the Blaze Tracer palette from Iconic London to bronze.
It's OVA the creator.
Okay, I think I want to go in with another bronzer as well. I want to go in with the Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder.
It's OVA the creator.
Okay, so what do I want to do now? I guess I'm gonna move on to eyes, and like I said in the beginning, I want to keep it really neutral. So I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This is the one, this is like the original one, the Primer Potion, but it's in the shade Sin.
It's OVA the creator.
So first I'm gonna go in my crease and use this Mario palette, and I'll take this shade right here. I think this is Matte 5. Yeah, and this is a JH50 brush. I'm gonna put that in my crease. And now I'm taking a bigger brush to blend the crease out. I kind of wanted something maybe just a little bit more warm. I'll take orange soda from ABH. This is the soft glam palette. Son of a can't try for me. And now I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Moon Dust in the shade Lithium. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty.
It's OVA the creator.
So because I want my lids to be a little bit lighter, I'm gonna go in with this mini Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow. I'm gonna use the diamond powder, which is this one right here, and press that on top.
It's OVA the creator.
I'm not gonna do liner or anything. I'm just gonna smoke up my lower lash line, and I'm gonna go in with Feline by MAC. Okay, I'm gonna use this very tiny brush from Real Techniques to smudge that out. Perfect. And okay, so you know sometimes when I put my lashes on, my eyes just look wonky. It's because my left eye is smaller than my right eye, and you can see it right now. So yeah, it looks wonky, but I promise it's not. My eyes are just fucked up. So yeah. Lord, put a hand, Lord Jesus, put a hand. So I never told you the story, right? I went into Bath and Body Works, right? So I was in the line to check out, so I was super busy, and the cashier, the one girl, was like, oh, I'm just going back over with some more bronzer. So the one girl was like, oh, are you paying with cash or card? So I was like, card, like, you know, because I cannot speak properly with an American accent. So I was like, card. She was like so confused. She was like, I don't think we take that here. I was like, you don't take card? She was like, oh, okay, I'll take you on this register. I was like, Lord Jesus, put a hand. I'm gonna go in with blush, and I think I want to do one from this NARS palette. I'll do this one right here. It's called Let It Burn, and this is the Overlost Cheek palette from NARS.
It's OVA the creator.
I was hearing last night for all my training people, Nessa Preppy new song. Apparently it's not a new song, because I was like looking for it, and it actually came out a little while now. But I heard this song and I was like, oh my gosh, I really like this song.
It's OVA.
So now I'm gonna quickly do some mascara, and I'm just gonna use this one from, this is Estee Lauder. This is the Sumptuous Extreme mascara, just in black, extreme black. Any recommendations for an eyeliner that actually stays in the waterline? Because they just don't stay in my waterline. And I have this one from Huda Beauty, and this is the, I don't know, but it's this one, and even this one doesn't stay. I'm gonna stick my eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back just so I can save some battery. Alright, so we're back. I just stuck my lashes. I did a little bit of highlighter. And then I changed into this really cute dress that I got from Fashion Nova again last year for my vacation that I did not get to go on. So yeah, that's what I did. And now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna take my Estee Lauder lip pencil, and this is in the shade Apple Cordial. It's not exactly red, it's more of like a burgundy color.
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with this YSL lipstick. This is in the shade, I think, 01. It's just a red.
It's OVA the creator.
And I don't like it.
It's OVA the creator.
Okay, you guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's just a classic red lip, you know. I feel like this is just a classic Valentine's Day look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for spending time with me today. Bye guys.